Do you want to add a send message button on Facebook Reels? You can receive messages directly on Messenger from your Reel video with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add send message button on Facebook Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To add a send message button to your Facebook Reels video, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, go to your profile by tapping on the 3 horizontal line menu or profile picture. Now, from your Facebook profile, start creating a new Reel video. You can either select a video from your device gallery or record new content for your Reel. After selecting or recording your video, tap on the next button. Here, you'll see various options for your Reel video. Below the description section, tap on Add Message button. A new screen will appear with different options. From here, select Send Message on Messenger. Once selected, tap Done at the top right of the screen. Now, add any additional information to your Reel video, and finally, tap on Share Now. The Send Message button will now appear on your Reel video, allowing viewers to message you directly from the video.